C.V. Raman Global University, located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech program here? Let's find out, starting with the placements that are rated 3.8 out of 5 stars. In 2022-23, a total of 929 students graduated, of which 92% were placed and 7% opted for higher studies. The median salary was 5.2 lakh per annum, while the top recruiters were Amazon, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, Infosys, and Wipro, with the top roles offered included AI engineer, software developer, data analyst, and web developer. In comparison with Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, C.V. Raman Global University has lower median package. Internships are available, with students securing opportunities in companies like Amazon, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and Cognizant. The BTech course has been given a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. It offers 14 specializations including machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, marine engineering, and chemical engineering. Admissions are purely merit-based and students are selected on the basis of their CGET, JEE Main, or OJEE scores. The total tuition fees is between 2.25 lakhs to 3 lakh per annum, depending on the differentiation in specializations. Additionally, the transport fees is 18,000 per year and the hostel room fees is 40,000 to 1 lakh per annum, depending on individual or sharing and air conditioning. The university has received a 3.8 star value for money rating from students. Next, let's take a look at the infrastructure, rated 4.1 stars. The 100 plus acres campus is equipped with Wi-Fi, a well-stocked central library, large conference hall, canteen, cafeteria, swimming pool, 24/7 healthcare center, and 3 auditoriums. There are also grounds for football and cricket, basketball and volleyball courts, and a gymnasium. Labs include communications and engineering, analog and digital electronic circuit, microwave and antenna engineering, microprocessor and microcontroller, Texas Instruments Innovations, and more. The 6 on-campus hostels can house a total of 2,500 students with choices for individual and shared accommodation and air-conditioned rooms. Moving on now to the faculty and course, rated 4 out of 5 stars. Students describe the faculty as knowledgeable and qualified, and the curriculum as relevant and sufficient. The university has also collaborated with industry leaders such as Tata Technologies, Bajaj Auto, Batoi, and Festo, a German company, to provide the students with research opportunities, training centers, labs, and more to gain the skills and training they need to be industry ready. Moving on now to the campus life, which have been given a rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. There are numerous clubs for students to join for their interests such as music, dance, drawing and painting, photography, space, net zero, yoga, and robotics, as well as games and sports such as carom, chess, basketball, volleyball, and kabaddi. There are celebrations organized on holidays like Diwali, as well as Freshers event, an annual college fest, hackathons, and the annual athletic meets. Lastly, C.V. Raman Global University is ranked 96th in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on C.V. Raman Global University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.